Hi guys, this is Dr. Chetana. Today I am going to demonstrate some of the do's and don'ts for back pain. So almost everybody in our life has experienced back pain at some point in their life. 99% of the back pain is due to your wrong posture, wrong eating habits and lack of exercise. So whenever you go to a doctor, the main prescription he writes is postural care, but none of them has ever explained to you what is postural care, right? He has never told you how you need to sit, how you need to stand, how you need to do your daily activities. So if you do all these activities in a proper way, then you can prevent and also cure most of your back pains. So most of the patients who come to me, though I tell them to follow certain postures, they never follow it. So I thought, let me make this video to make them very clear. So today I will show you how to sit, how to stand, how to do common household works like bathing, washing vessels, washing clothes, mopping, everything. So this will help you in future, be it at home or office. So it's always very important to choose a best sitting place. So see, this sofa, it's not very good to sit. See, it's very soft, and when I sit, see, my curvature is not maintained, right? So try, it's very comfortable. Most of us choose this, and it is very expensive also. Most of us choose to buy such expensive sofas. We feel it's very comfortable, but it's not good for your back. So try to avoid this. So instead of a soft sofa with foam, you can use a chair like this, right? Wherever you sit. So the best sitting position is your hip should be touching the back of the chair, and you can keep a pillow, rounded pillow, to support the curvature of your back, and the foam or the seat where you are sitting should not be very thick, it should be very thin, so that your curvature is maintained. So be it any sitting position, whatever profession you do, be you are a driver, you are sitting in the office, at home, watching TV, eating, and also whenever you are praying, right, you can use this position. So now coming to the standing position. So any work which involves standing for a longer period of time, it's always better to stand this way. You can keep a stool like this, right? So you can keep any leg whichever is comfortable for you, and if you are tired like this, you can keep changing your legs, right? So if it is cooking, standing in a counter, washing vessels, or if your profession involves standing, like if you are a security guard, police, traffic police, and if you are a teacher, wherever, whichever profession involves standing, you will stand this way, okay? And then avoid standing in one place like this, right? It's very bad for your, it puts a lot of strain on your back. So instead of that, you can keep walking and do things. Keep walking. If you are a teacher, you can keep walking. If you are a security guard, you can keep walking. Police, keep walking. Army, keep walking. So now let me show you how to pick objects from the floor. What most of us do, if anything falls on the ground or to pick any objects, what we do? We just go like this. This is our normal way of doing it, and it's very bad for your back. So instead what we can do, be it a small pencil to a big bucket or a grocery bag, you have to pick this one. So the best way of doing it is go beside the object, always. Bend one leg, see, this way. So the object should be always beside you. One leg, bending like this, go like this. So what most of them do? They go in front of the object. This is also not good. This also involves little bit of bending. They do all kind of drama. It's not good. Always go beside the object. Beside. So if the object is fallen, go beside. This way, and you pick it. See, the back is straight. So now, be it a small pencil, anything that falls on the ground, you should pick it up this way. Now, imagine this is a grocery bag. So, you go beside the grocery bag, not front. Front means you again end up bending, right? So this way and then beside. See, you can still go closer if you want. See, like this. So lift according to your capacity, right? This way. So the best idea is to lift equally on both sides. Transfer the weight. Okay, it should be like this. If you want to lift equally, instead of lifting a heavy bag, you will end up doing this way. That's also not good for your back. It involves. So now, buckets. This is the common thing which we lift. So the same thing. You go beside the bucket, lift it this way. But make sure you don't put too much water. 1 to 5 kgs. That's it. So the best thing is to lift on both the sides, so that weight is equally seen this way. See this. Practice this. I make my patients do this 15-20 times so that they are used to this way. Okay. So be it anything, a small needle to a child, you will lift it this way. Never bend forward. This is very important thing. Why I am repeating is, in spite I tell my patients this, they keep doing this. And they do all these awkward positions. And I tell them, don't bend, they go like this. All kind of dramas. So just go beside the object. Simple thing is, go beside. The object should be beside you. That's it. Simple. You don't have to do anything. This one. Now let me show you how to broom, mop and other things. This is the common work which a female does. Okay. So see, most of us broom this way, right? So this is very bad for the back. This might also cause disc prolapse, muscle spasms and everything. So this is very wrong. So never broom this way. This is very bad for your back. So I tell most of my patients, you shouldn't bend forwards and broom. So what they do? They broom this way. This is also bad. Right? So instead of the previous broom, you can use this one with a long handle. So you can also broom this way. This will prevent your back from bending. So this is the best one. There is no alternative to this broomstick. This is better than the previous 2 brooms. So this will prevent you from bending backwards. It's very good for your back. Likewise, for mopping, you can use this mop. Instead of bending forwards and mopping the floor, you can use this. So most of us, when we pick any garbage from the floor, we do it this way. This is very bad for the back. So instead, we can use this. This is available everywhere. So you can just use it this way. This prevents your back from bending forwards. Most of them who do not have access to kitchen counters or who doesn't have such facilities at home, try to wash clothes and wash vessels like this, right? This is the usual way. This is, and they try to keep they tell that their back is straight and they are washing, sitting, not, but it's very bad for your back. So instead of sitting down on the ground, you can keep your clothes, vessels on a counter like this, or you can make a counter. That will be more affordable for you. And then you can keep your leg this way. And if you want, you can also wear a lumbar belt. That will give additional protection for your back. And you can wash your vessels and clothes, do whatever you want. And this will protect your back. So patients with back pain, if you have small kids, be careful when you lift them. So follow this position for lifting your kids. Okay? So bend one leg slowly this way. Keep your back straight and slowly go to your child and pick your child this way. So if your child is on the bed, so what most of us do? We go like this and lift the child. This is very bad for your back. Instead, you can go little bit ahead, close to the bed, bend your leg like this, keep your back straight, and then you can pick your child this way. So this prevents. Okay, now I'll show you how to wear your shoes, right? So now for ladies, so most of them what they do? They try to fix their shoes like this, and kill their back. So best thing is, so wherever you are, sit down, put your shoes, just put it this way. And then you can fix it like this. Keep your leg like this, fix. And even for men and women who wear sports shoes, you can also do it this way. Just put your shoes like this, keep your leg like this, and tie the lace. Done. So easy. So another important thing is, mainly for ladies, people with back pain, avoid wearing heels. So along with your sitting, standing and other positions which I showed you, you also need to pay attention on your sleeping position also. So depending on your cause of the back pain and your diagnosis, your MRI reports, we prescribe you different sleeping positions. So please watch my next video for different sleeping positions. So I hope you all enjoyed the video and you understood most part of it. So let me summarize. So please avoid sitting for too long in one place. Sit only for 15 minutes maximum. Get up, go around, drink water, go to the toilet, come back and then sit if you are a table worker. So that if your work involves standing for too long, don't stand in one place. And also don't pick up any objects, don't do any work bending forwards. And don't do any work sitting on the floor. Okay.